Hey there, Suzanne Tulane. Nice to meet you. What's your name and what do you do? Is this a moment of anticipation, anxiety, or fear? Most of you who know me probably met me at a networking event. And as a solopreneur, I have to wear that hat of business development along with consultant, author, speaker, and trainer. And I bet you have several hats too. And if you're watching this video, one of those hats must be for business development, aka Ninja Networker. Now, in Colorado Springs, you could hit 2 or 3 networking events almost every day of the year. We have tons of event options to choose from based on what we know is our most valuable target markets, right? So if you're like me, you prefer to networking over spending money in various marketing channels that haven't quite yielded the ROI you're hoping for, right? So have you ever actually tallied up how much you spend on networking every month? Not just for the breakfasts, the lunches, dinners, and beverages, but in your valuable time. Well, mine is in the hundreds of dollars. But you like to meet people and build relationships. So how do you truly leverage the time, the money, and the effort spent attending these events to deepen relationships and ultimately grow your client base? Well, you start by getting clear on who you are as a brand, who you serve, and what solutions you're bringing about that are distinctive from your competition, articulated in a highly efficient, very compelling way to trigger the ears of our listeners, spark deeper and more meaningful conversations. So what is it worth to you to be able to actually articulate more confidence and clarity in your area of expertise to your particular target audience every single time? Maybe your current elevator pitch needs refreshing or a new angle that is more relevant to your brand's value position. If so, then this workshop is for you. Consider joining me in a casual, highly experiential, process-driven, 2-hour facilitated workshop to craft your elevator pitch for your next networking event and start yielding better ROI for your efforts. Click on the link below to register for more information. So seats are limited, so don't wait too long. I hope to see you there. Thanks so much.